Hello everyone, and welcome to our new tutorial on GetResponse AI. Visit GetResponse's website. Click on Create Free Account. Enter your full name, email, and password to sign up. Once in the dashboard, you'll see options such as Create Newsletter, Create Form, Create Landing Page, Add Contacts, Create Autoresponder, and Create Campaign. Click on Email Marketing at the top, go to Newsletters, and click on Create Newsletter. Choose the With AI Email Generator option. Inform GetResponse about the topic of your email and the nature of your business. Select your target audience and the type of email you want to create. Choose the tone and feel of your email. Pick your favorite layout, such as column, text-only, 2-column, or 3-column layouts. Select your color palette and upload your logo. Click to generate your email's template. Once the template is ready, use the editor to customize your email. Edit text, appearance, and size of elements in the email. Add columns or promotional content, like a promo code. Click on Next to proceed. Select an email address and subject line for your newsletter. Choose your recipients and finalize your design. You have the option to either schedule your email or send it immediately. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.